What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna show you about my charging setup, and I'm gonna go for a car wash. I'm gonna take you guys with me. So before we go for a car wash, I was just about to head out, so I want to show you my charging setup. That is my garage door, and this is the cable that attaches to the Tesla itself. And you can see it runs down and into this closet here. So in this closet, I have the plug point for the dryer, which is like a higher voltage than your regular voltage one. And I bought the NEMA 1440 adapter, and I have attached it to the outlet there. And then because we have two locks on this door, so there's no need to have two locks, so we remove this one, and then this wire runs through here into the Tesla. Also, the winner of the giveaway will be announced at the end of the video, so stay tuned. And if you like my channel and if you like my content, please like and subscribe. To finding a car wash. So I'm trying to look for a deal for the car wash, like maybe like a seasons pass or like a flex pass thing where you can buy multiple car washes and then either use them in 90 days or you can use them like within the year. That's kind of options that I've seen online. So we're just gonna go shop around and I will keep you posted. So let's see what happens. I don't know. I thought it was touchless. So I'm just like driving around to see if it is or not. It doesn't look like it. Look, it has the brushes. I don't know if you guys can see it. See that? There's like brushes there and there's a car in there. So not an option for us.
Now making my left turn here, and then on the right side you'll see there's a Petro Canada. I'm not sure if this one is touchless, just like the SO. So let's see if it is or not. And if it is, I'll go inside, ask them about the pricing and stuff, and I'll let you guys know on here as well. So here we are.
I'm just gonna first like drive by it just to see like if it is touchless or not. Nah, looks like it has those blue spinny things, the soft cloth. It looks like it's a soft cloth wash. Let's wait for this Escalade to move out. Come on. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's those blue spinny things inside the car wash there, so not an option again. Now I'm heading over to the Canadian Tire. Let's see. Canadian Tire gas bar here. So what deal they have right now is you get 4 car washes for $40. So it's about 10 bucks each. So it's 3 for 40, but they give you plus 1 free, so it ends up being like about average 10 bucks each. So I think that's okay. I'm just gonna go check out Shell's pricing now, and then I guess it's just gonna be between Canadian Tire and Shell, because I checked the gas stations near my house and these are the only 2 which have touchless, and that Husky, but it's like not working, so they're not even doing anything. So let's see. And they had monthly pass for like 185.86 plus tax or whatever. So it's 30 days and you can use 1 car wash per day, which is highly unlikely. I don't think I'm gonna do that. So I went with the flexible passes. So it's like 20 car washes for, what was it, 159 plus tax. So it came out to like 185, 186. And you can use these 20 washes at like any point. Basically, you can use these like within 1 year at any point basically. So I think I'm gonna do once a week, so that's enough for like 20 weeks, which is not bad. And Petro Canada, I saw online, their 21 washes or whatever, that one was like 195. So I mean, it's very competitive prices, like within $15 of each other. But the thing is, Petro Canada near my house doesn't have the touchless wash like I showed you guys, but this one does, so I rather go with this. So all I have to do is now, let me show you. So you go in, you get this card, and then you just have to like go to the car wash and swipe this, and then it should like let you through. So I'm gonna show you just how like it works.
So I'm gonna put the wipers in service mode.
So here you can see like it's done a pretty good job. Even the bottom rocker panels are pretty clean. The back looks pretty clean. The dryer did pretty decent. The car's not that wet, so it's pretty clean now. So now for the winner of the Christmas giveaway. I went through the videos, just randomly scrolled through them, and the winner is Stefan Rudberg. So I will leave a comment on one of your comments asking you for your email, and then I'll send you the Amazon gift card. And guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This will help out the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.